Namaste students. हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Holia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are discussing the session. The topic name is phases of oogenesis and structure of ovary. So this uh, topic will take 2 lectures, and in the first lecture we will study about the phases of the oogenesis, and in the second lecture we will discuss the structure of ovary. So again, the oogenesis is a gametogenesis process of female, and this comes under the gametogenesis phenomenon. The gametogenesis is the production of the gametes, female gametes, and the female gamete is ovum. So, what is the process and the phases of the oogenesis we will discuss in this session. So, like the spermatogenesis, the oogenesis also have 3 phases. Okay, so the multiplication phase, the growth phase, and the maturation phase. Okay, so the process of oogenesis is happens in the ovary. So there also specific types of cell known as the primordial germ cells. Primordial germ cells are there, and the number of chromosomes or the set of chromosomes is 2n there. So these are the diploid cells, the primordial germ cells. So in the first phase, that is the maturation phase, the repeated mitotic divisions occurs in the primordial germ cells, and as a result of the multiplication phase or the repeated mitotic divisions, there are many oogonial cells are there in the ovary. Okay, so oogonia is the result of the repeated mitotic divisions in the ovary. So the after the production of the oogonia, the growth phase is there, and this phase, the oogonia increases its size and increases the amount of the cell. Okay, so the size of the oogonia increases many times, and increased size cell is there as a result of the growth phase, and the structure is now known as the primary oocyte. Okay, so after the formation of the primary oocyte, there is a third phase, that is the maturation phase is there, and in maturation phase there is 2 subdivisions, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So in primary oocyte, meiosis 1 or meiosis first occurs, and the one primary oocyte makes 2 cells. One is the secondary oocyte and another is the polar body. Okay, so polar body, after a few time, the polar body degrades, and secondary oocytes uh, convert into the ovum. So the meiosis 2 occurs in the secondary oocyte and in the polar body. So from one polar body, 2 polar bodies are formed by the meiosis 2, and from the secondary oocyte, one ovum and one polar body produced. So total 3 polar body and one ovum is produced from the one oogenesis process. Okay, so in the growth phase, the cell size increases, and the this is divided into 2 parts: the pre-vitellogenesis and the vitellogenesis. So the vitellogenesis is the formation of the yolk sac in the cell. Okay, so this we will study in another session, that is the vitellogenesis. But here these all the summary of the your session, and hope you are satisfied with this detailed session. And if you have any query, please write in the comment box and I will resolve your problem. And this is powered by digital version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.